Hi my beautiful besties, it's Caitlin and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can achieve this easy 90s inspired look, half up half down with the flipped ends. So first I'm just starting off by letting my husband wash my hair, and right now he's going in with the Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo. And he's just giving that a good old wash because, y'all, I had gel in my hair from securing that bun. And that's got to go. And that hair's got to be clean for this sleek look. Now he's just going in with the Shampoo Sister Olaplex Bond Maintenance Conditioner. Alright, so we're done washing and now I'm just detangling and sectioning the hair so that I can start blow drying. I'm just going to put this African growth oil in my hair just for a little moisture so it's not too dry as I blow dry it. The blow dryer that I'm using is the 1875 Pro by Kiss. It was like $30 at Walmart. This flat iron that I'm using is by Chai. It just says Global Beauty on it. I don't really know the specific. Now we start to part and get this straightening going. So, of course, y'all, my camera died and I ended up having to record with my phone. So, bear with me because the quality is going to be bad, but we still here. And don't talk about me because, yes, I can fold my ear and it'll stay. Okay, now we wrapping it up. I've straightened the rest of my hair, and now I'm about to go in and clip them ends. This is just me trying to figure out which side I want my part on, and once I decide that this is my side, then I'm gonna go ahead and draw my part. And the first thing I'm gonna do is just get that hair out the way, and then I'm gonna start fixing my ponytail. I'm about to use this edge fixer to go ahead and sleek up them sides. And that's the same thing that I'm going to use later to lay down my edges. We're on the last few steps. I'm going in with my flat irons, the same ones we use to press my hair, and I'm just gonna bump those ends. Okay, those ends are bumped, and now it's edges time, and I'm going in with that same edge control that I showed earlier, that edge fixer.
Knockout. You win.
Okay, this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and maybe leave a comment and let me know if this was helpful.